passion for coffee.
In the trees and their dark green leaves. It's etched in the farmers' faces. It's there in the cultivating care of the agronomists who work by their side. It's there in the picking. And it's there in the milling. On the drying patios, in the raking, the hand sorting. You'll find it in every smell and in every slurp of every sample. It's even there in the way it's shipped. And it's most assuredly there in the meticulous roast. It's there, the passion. The passion to make an unrivaled cup of coffee. It's the passion that drives the commitment to quality that starts from the ground up. Passion that's poured into every relationship, every harvest, every roast. Passion that checks the quality of the beans again and again and again. From origin to store. And wherever you look, at any stage of this amazing journey, you will find it.